Hello there, one more time to FIASCO channel, and today we just gonna do a little thing to my Tello, my DJI Tello. We'll show you how to change the propellers and the top base here, the protector or the top cover is a removable top cover. Again, this is the first time I do it. You have to be a little prepared. You need your tool. You need your little tool here. Let me get it out of the box of the bag for the propellers, right? To remove the propellers. Don't lose this one. Don't lose it. Then I have the propellers themselves. I got some yellow ones, and also here I got the little instructions how to place the propellers, because there is a certain order you have to place them. So the instruction says to place the Tello with the camera facing towards yourself. So I'll do that, turn it around. You have to take this thing and place them. See, how can I do this? Place it underneath here underneath the propeller, and then you have to do some pressure to, okay, and there you go, upwards, there you go, and downwards carefully, and then it's released. So what I'm gonna do now is hold the Tello and take the propeller out. Great. And that's the second one we're gonna do here. Same thing, we're gonna place it underneath the propeller and hold the leg and then push it up a little bit, release, and then there you go. Now we have the 4 propellers off. Now before I place the propellers, I'm gonna take these off. Here on the sides, as you can see, there are some places where you can actually place your hand or your nails or a tool and push this up and release the cover. The first thing I'm gonna do though is take the battery out. So we take the battery out, and then I have more space in here as well to remove. See, there's a little opening here where you can actually place a little screwdriver or a flat knife or some other tool. You can actually apply some pressure upwards and release the cover. So I'm gonna try with my hands. Never done this before again. So I'm gonna place my hands in here. There you go. Okay, I was able to remove the first one. Apply some pressure upwards. See, be careful, we don't want to break it. There you go. It's coming up little by little. There you go. And that's it. You have to do it carefully because it's a little tight. So, and we don't want to break the holders. See these little holders there that hold the cover in place. We don't want to break them. So now we have the white cover removed, and let's admire the little Tello. Actually, how is impressive to see that such a small machinery over here can actually fly this well, right? Be controlled this well. So this is good technology, my friends, and it's a lot of fun to fly. So let's get my Tello yellow. Tello yellow. It rhymes. I'm a great poet. The Tello yellow cover. See if I can actually take it off without breaking it in the box, because I'm a little. Okay, let me pop it out. There you go. Just popped out a little bit. So let's place the cover on top. See if it works. Okay, I don't know if it works. True replacement, original replacement. So let's press this downwards. Make sure it's nice and tight. So it's nice and tight over there. There you go. Now we have a yellow Tello. So we're gonna face the Tello again in front with the camera pointing towards yourself. Now here is the issue here. The propeller is supposed to be marked. So there are two, they have markings. Yeah, like they have some markings in there. I just want to make sure you guys see it. There. Yeah, these are the ones that are marked. See, they are marked. So the marked ones, they go on the right side, top and front right side, and left backward side, back side. So here again, see, front and backwards, front right, back left. So the only thing you have to do is put it in there and apply some pressure. Okay, hold the machine there. There you go. Make sure it goes all the way, right? And make sure it rotates. So we're gonna take the other one is marked. Okay, there you go. That the other one is marked here. All right, probably you can see it. I don't know if you can see it. So here they're marked, and it's marked over here. So we place it back in the back left. Apply some pressure. All right. Okay. And now the other two. Let's press the careful. Hold the engine and the leg. There you go. All the way down. Okay, so this is supposed to be done. That's great. So okay guys, so this is it. So now we're gonna test this propeller, see if they work. Okay, so that's the Tello. It looks nice in yellow. I can tell you I'm a really good poet. Tello yellow. Connected with the power button. As always, we've seen this before. Here, the connected. All right, it's recording. Let's go up. Let's take off. See, first we're gonna take it off. See, propeller's up. Okay, seems like. Oh. Landing. I don't know what's going on here. I'm just gonna pick it up very slowly. I don't know what happened here. So it seems like it's not working very well. So let's see. Let's see what's going on here. Let's check these propellers. Okay. They're okay. These are okay. It seems like they're okay. I don't know if I have to do some calibration. Okay, let's try to take off again and see if it works okay. Okay. Going to go up and down, I don't know. Uh-oh. It went kaput. It doesn't stop. My goodness. Whew. Scared the shit out of me, man. Alright. Okay, so as you can see, it didn't go very well. Okay, let me start it all over. Okay. Okay, the problem was I did not push the propellers all the way in, so the DJI Tello could not fly properly. So what I recommend is you to watch the next video to see the solution on what I did.